Hello, third grade. This is the time where, gosh, I so wish that we were all in school because you guys are starting geometry and I love geometry. Oh, it's just my favorite thing to teach, and I just have all these weird facts and, fascinating details about math and geometry. But your first lesson that you're doing this week I think it has 5 sessions. First thing you're doing is you're learning about quadrilaterals, okay? So if you take a look right here, these are quadrilaterals, okay? So quadrilaterals have 4 right angles, 4 sides. That's what a rectangle has, but quadrilaterals have 4 sides. So they don't have to be right angles, but rectangles have 4 right angles, 4 sides. Squares have 4 right angles and 4 sides, and that's why I always say a square can be a rectangle. It follows that definition. Now, you've heard me talk about a lot of shapes that are quadrilateral. So, right here, look at these quadrilaterals, okay? So, you guys know what this is: a trapezoid, rectangle, square, triangle is not a quadrilateral. And then you have a rhombus. Don't call it a diamond. This is called a kite. And isn't that funny? We can call this a kite. And so a kite was named after the shape it is made by. And then you have the chevron right here. And the cool thing about the chevron in the future that you're going to learn about is it has a concave angle, and then the other angles are convex, and then all these have convex angles. Think about that. Think about, why do we say this one has a concave angle? So you're going to also know, your Greek and Latin roots. So tri means 3, quad means 4, pent means 5, hex is 6, oct. So those are always your hints on how many sides a shape has. So as you're going through this and you're learning about shapes, you just got to learn how to identify a shape by using definitions now. So you can say, if I wanted to describe this shape here, this is not a 2-dimensional shape, but right now you're learning about 2-dimensional shapes. So let's see, let me do this. I'm going to take the flag. This is a 2-dimensional shape because it's on a piece of paper. Okay, so I would say this has opposite sides are equal, 4 right angles, 4 sides. Not all 4 sides are equal though, just opposite sides are equal. And that would be the definition of this rectangle, because that side is opposite, they're equal, there to there. So that is how you describe a rectangle. Well, then you'll say, well, how do I describe a kite? Okay, kite. Well, kite is one of the most interesting ones, and it stumps a lot of kids. But the adjacent angles, that means the angles, they share a vertex. So 2 sides sharing a vertex are equal. So, and then 2 sides sharing an opposite vertex are equal. So those 2 vertexes are equal, so they're opposite, but it has 4 sides not at equal length, no right angles, 2 acute, 2 obtuse angles. So do you see where I'm coming from? Because you've learned a lot of these words throughout geometry. And I might send you, if I get to it tonight, but I'll probably get it typed up tomorrow. I'm going to start sending you a geometry dictionary where you can start writing these words. So you can write what a quadrilateral is, a quadrangle, all these fascinating words, a triceratops. No, that's not part of it. But that's why I just love geometry. So I'm really hoping you guys are having a good day today. I have so much to do. I just feel like I have a monkey on my back, and it's just, making me so pressured. So I need to find this monkey on my back, get it off. So if you see a monkey on my back, let me know, because I need to get the monkey off my back. All right, last week there was a snake around my neck and nobody warned me. You guys, come on. And I also wanted to show you some fabulous work, because sometimes you guys might think, I'm sending her this work and she's not doing anything with it. Well, look I have Gavin's. I have Brody's. I have more of Gavin's. Okay. So you can take a live picture of your work if you ever want me to look at it. You don't have to do this. But here's another one of Gavin's. Okay. Brody and Mason. Okay. And then Bo, he writes his in a spiral. His mom takes a picture of it, sends it to me. I really kind of like to see what you're doing, because your ALPs are coming up and I got to write about you. So I kind of need, I just kind of like saying some really things that are true to you. But that's a monkey on my back, not yours. So if you see a monkey on my back, let me know. I'm getting it off. Love you guys. Bye.